This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta. We'll start by gathering just a few basic ingredients that you likely already have in your kitchen. Then, I'll guide you through mixing and kneading the dough to achieve that ideal texture. This process is surprisingly straightforward and incredibly rewarding, leading to fresh pasta that tastes far superior to store-bought options. Get ready to impress your taste buds. Once your ingredients are ready, we'll combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 2 large eggs on a clean surface. Mix them gently, then knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes wonderfully smooth and elastic. This kneading develops the gluten, which is crucial for good pasta. After kneading, cover the dough and let it rest for 30 minutes at room temperature. This step is vital for a pliable dough. Now for the fun part, shaping your pasta. Divide your rested dough into smaller portions and roll each piece through a pasta machine, gradually thinning it down to about 1/16 of an inch. Then, cut your pasta into your preferred shape, like classic fettuccine. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Cook your fresh pasta for just 2 to 3 minutes until it's perfectly al dente. As soon as your pasta is cooked, drain it quickly and toss it directly with your favorite warm sauce. A simple marinara or a rich pesto works beautifully. Garnish with some fresh herbs, like basil or parsley, and a generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese for that extra touch of flavor. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade pasta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.